Today, we're using a few tiny cars to create something big. These aren't just toys, they're the heroes of a movie. What is stop motion? It's patience, creativity, and thousands of tiny moves. Every frame is one step forward, and every move tells a new story. The cars move slowly, just like life. Rushing doesn't help. So where is the destination? A simple glass of water with a big idea behind it. Some people say it's impossible. We say, just wait and watch. Every second of this video is the result of hours of work. Success is not sudden, it's built, frame by frame. If you fall down, move again, just like these cars. Creativity starts with limited resources, not expensive tools. Now it's time for the result. Stay focused. From a simple idea, we created a special scene, and if we could do it, you can too. Dreams need action, not excuses. The end? No, this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, support us, like it, share it with your friends, and follow our page. Your support motivates us to create more creative videos. Thank you for watching and supporting us.